Okay, I'm going to call this the Mt. Gox scenario. And yeah, they have dumped from 12/18, so that December 18th last year, they have dumped about 40,000 coins, bitcoins, into the market. And here we are at 2/5, which is February 5th. And now they're dumping more. How much do they have left? This is Mt. Gox. These are cold wallets, okay? Like, if you will, a Trezor, a Ledger Nano, whatever, some type of cold storage for these cryptos. 40,000 up to February 5th. And as you recall, February 5th was when I purchased, when I said I smell blood. But there's more blood. So what you're seeing is a specific website, MT Gox Insolvency, okay? You can Google it. Basically, you'll see how much they sold. 40,000 of cold storage. How much do they have left? How much does Mt. Gox have left? Well, as of today, March 9th, which, by the way, Bitcoin has been dumping for 4 straight days, which is highly unusual without a daily green candle, if you will, or up move. Highly unusual. I'm thinking more of these are being these Bitcoins in cold storage at Mt. Gox are being dumped. Look at how much they have left. That's a lot right there. 2,000, every single one of these addresses are a cold storage wallet, and they all hold 2,000 or even a little bit more. So I took out my trusty Microsoft Excel program, and I did a simple cut and paste, and all these are the addresses to the left, and you have 2,000 Bitcoins, okay, right here in the middle. Let's look at the very end. What I did was I added all of these Bitcoins together, and look at what they have. 162,105. They got rid of 40,000. They have 162,000, and this is the damage they could do to Bitcoin with 40,000 coins. They have 162,000 left as of today, March 9th, 2018. Who's paying who? Who's doing what? Why? This reminds me of the gold suppression game that they're playing. You know, they don't mind losing money. Who cares? When you can print it out of thin air, why should you? Why should you? Thinking pretty hard here, and I'm establishing either an entry strategy or an exit strategy in case, just in case. I'm establishing one, but I'm not going to divulge it because I'm not Gregory Mannarino. And I tend to be wrong at times. Duh. Anyway, I gotta go. Gotta establish a strategy here.